Heartfelt wishes on this 75th Independence Day to everybody from Team Shapurji Balaji. Let us salute our founding fathers and known and anonymous freedom fighters who led their life to ensure that we are born and live in a independent nations. In this gathering today, we don't have a people who has witnessed and heard the India's tryst with destiny on midnight of 14th and 15th August. But we do have a people among us whose preceding generations have physically gone through the hardship followed by that historical unforgettable night. Let us salute them, and we must never forget those events to have a safe and secure future. The main milestones, in my opinion, achieved in this journey wherein 5 races, India contains 5 races. From 565 princely states became one nation in a span of 3 years, 1947 to 1950. And one state joining our journey in 1961, Goa. Overcoming the shocks and side effects of the biggest human migration and 5 wars are: 1. GDP growth. Our per capita income, which was Indian rupees 230 in 1947, grew to 1.5 lakhs rupees per annum last year, which is a 652 times increase without indexation. This is the biggest human achievement to remove the poverty through a democratic way. There was enormous work on the literacy. Our literacy rate was 12% at the time of independence. Now it is more than 80%, even though there was a many-fold increase in the population. Our nation was blessed to have a great scientist like Dr. Homi Bhabha, Dr. Abdul Kalam, Dr. Sarabhai, and many others. Today, we are a force to reckon with globally in the IT and the satellite sector. Today, the Indian companies are part of the global top 20 organizations in construction and IT sector. Our company, which has witnessed the freedom fighting movement and the journey of a nation after independence 74 years, have played its part in the economic growth of this great nation. We have carried Indian values and the culture across 70 nations, and today providing the employment to 170,000 people across India and overseas. Our group has secured the future of 10,000 tribal children through our CSR means, and have provided the nutrition and well-being of the young infants and the mothers. Over 1.5 million feeds have been served. On economic protection front, 3.5 million trees were planted and nurtured by our group. I also take opportunity to thank Government of Algeria and the people of Algeria for providing us this opportunity to work in your country. And India was one of the first country to recognize Algeria after the independence in 1962. Thanks to our forefathers, the preceding generation, The journey so far has been very good, but in the changing global scenario, it needs a more demanding effort to survive and progress. But looking at the great foundations our preceding generations has led for us, and if our generations do their part of the work, hopefully we should be able to move ahead. We also take this opportunity to thank Ambassador Sir, Gaurav Sir, and Team Indian Embassy for providing the opportunity to our company today. Lastly, I would proudly say, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये है गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। जय हिंद।